spirituality and the Celtic Christianity that I've found is very much in contact with nature. So anything that's nature or earthy or healing or anything is regarded as New Age and not, say, Christian or whatever. And so hence you're not allowed to sort of use it or do it. And I completely disagree, because I think it's something that was there from the year dot. And nature itself is part of what we've kind of forgotten about. I mean, being away from Donegal, when I go back there, it just makes me love it even more. And just walking through the countryside and just, you know, I mean, thanking God for such beautiful countryside. And, you know, a simple prayer that St. Patrick had, which is, you know, God with me, before me, by my right side, by my left side, is one of the prayers that I love saying, because it's just God all around, God in nature. God has created nature. Prayer is talking to God. It's grand. It is grand.